Even more of the stuff that I bought that I didn't need that now I have to go through. Let's go. Welcome to Bullman Built RC. If you've never been here before, welcome back if you have. First up, I have a capper cage with super, I don't even know what to call this, very like futuristically odd designed panels. Pretty cool. I'm not a capper fan, but this definitely makes it a lot cooler. Got a little scoop and got a roof scoop and got these little swoopy-doos on the side. Pretty neat. Next, this is honestly just a box of just stuff. He gave me a bunch of these things. So these are the China version of the deluxe cut to length drive shafts. Tiny little motor that obviously does not work. Revolver, 2000 kV. I think he said one of these doesn't work somewhere along the lines. 422 HD, which is in every single truck that he had. 380 revolver. Oh, that one I don't think is the one that works. That one's very crunchy. SR315. That's going in my box. Whatever the hell this is for. These things? I don't know. Ooh, orange offset caps for deluxe shocks. Some hot racing and just general China drive shafts. Next. Let's see. SSD frame extensions, which I literally just ordered. So that's pretty cool. Just got those in the mail the other day. Servo mounts. Don't know what I'll do. Just general servo mounts. Some gears. These are pinions, and good God, that is a big ass whatever that is. This is just some cross members. Oh, these are cool. Little servo mount guys. ECX part. Oh, those are RRPs. RRP. This is a mini pinion 12 tooth for 0.5 mod. This is a 16 tooth for 0.5 mod. I've also got these things. Not sure what those are. And that pretty much concludes that box, except for some servo screws. Next! Here we have what all the ECX parts are for. This is a Sporty. I don't know a lot about these things. So we have Bully Comp tires, squishy little foams. The wheels are super cool. They have deluxe hubs in them. These are 10-2s. I'm not 100% sure why we're using 10-2s on this. I don't know. I don't know a lot about these things. 422 HD front and rear as usual. Like I said, everything he owns. Red Dravtex from Deluxe. Some sort of aluminum chassis with an ECX transmission. What is that? I can't even see in there. I think this one has a Mamba Micro in it. I can't tell. It's got a Spectrum receiver that will be stolen out of it. Aluminum links, and the front has tons of brass in the front for the knuckles, and then it also looks like it has wheel weights. Yep, sure does. It does have a cool little turnbuckle thing here for the steering servo link, so that's pretty neat. It has some lead just glued to this servo, which is a little bit weird. And then, like I said, this custom wheels and stuff. There's not a whole lot to talk about this. It is neat, but like, it's very minimal. There's nothing to say. It's got some sort of revolver in it. I'm pretty sure it's just a little 380 Holmes, because that's what drives everything this size, I guess. Yeah, that's basically it. I have nowhere to run this, so I will probably, with this one in particular, be parting this out. I'll keep the dravs, keep the servos, and I'll be selling the axles and all that stuff. I don't know if it has underdrive, overdrive. I assume it does, but I'll have to take these apart and check them all out and see what happens. Probably take this apart tomorrow on the live. So that is that. Next up, last box of random things for this video, and then I know some of you that know what these are just chomping at the bit, trying to figure that out and going there. So that's next. Just sit through this, promise. Low C mini rock crawler shocks. Probably put that on one of the minis. Little spacers, little just white spacers, whatever the hell. These are just little black spacer flat bar things. These are the screw-in body mount nut things. More spacers. And then, let's see, we have magnets with body mounts and whatever the hell those things are. Let's see, race cars. 10-2 or 10-1 shock towers with some body mounts. They look kind of cool. That's actually pretty cool. If that was upside down, especially. I may end up giving those to my dad or something. What is all this? A lot of little body pins with these little snowman tab things. I don't know. Whatever. And then whatever the hell those things are again. There's another box of them. It doesn't say. More Eclipse. More knuckle bushings. And more Drav stuff. This little compartment's kind of interesting. I have the little carbon fiber SLW spacers, more bearings, deluxe wheel stops, those little spacers and some stuff, another bearing. And then I have these. Obviously, they're brass weights. I have no clue what they go to, what they're on. They're just little U-shaped brass. They got countersunk screws. No idea. No clue what they're for. But some of this stuff was actually really useful. I've been thinking about buying some of these, and I'm glad I didn't, because now I have some. These two boxes are literally just hubs. I'm pretty sure these are deluxe hubs. Some of them are VP. Like, I've got some VP 225s. There's some old school VPs, or I think these might be RC 4-wheel drives. Maybe they're deluxe. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to, like, kind of look around and ask. But there's some more. I don't think those are real. I think those are China. Just by the color. I'm pretty sure those are China. But I think these little guys with all the cutouts and stuff, I thought these were deluxes. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, a lot of this comp stuff is just new to me. But a ton of hubs. And then I also got these hubs. These are for the oversized stub axles. So then the pin goes through these and everything, which I don't think anything I have has those. So I'm not really sure. I can't really do anything with them, I don't think. And that concludes that box. Next, last but certainly not least, we have this. This is a Bruiser clone. Technically, this is an HPG19 I don't know, whatever the hell it's called. Anywho, has the correct body. This thing is dusty. Has a good body for it. This is a brand new Toyota. It's a Toyota thing. This is a knockoff Bruiser chassis. And a little Savox servo for the old switcheroo. Now, the thing that I'm interested in is it does have a Holmes Polar Pro 2700 kV. That will be going with me, regardless of what I do for this. Ampro front servo mount with just a Tactic. I have no idea what these leaf springs are, but they are enormous, and there is like a shitload of leaves in them. A bunch. Like 7? No. 9? Yeah, I think 9 leaves, something like that. I don't know. I'm not going to count them. So what I know about this is what he's told me. These are CC hand bumpers. So these are real aluminum. These are pricey if that's what they are. Also, the RC 4-wheel drive Toyota wheels. These do have those are wideners. They have a big wideners in them with the nuts. Pitbull growlers with what seems like regular stock foam. And then these have the Terraflex shackles, and in the rear has Z-boxes. The Terraflex, good God, that does not help that thing at all. Those may actually go on something else. I have another project that would work really well on, so may do that. So the front has a Terraflex revolver shackles that actually hit the motor mount on this side and also hit the motor mount on that side, so they're not doing any kind of shackling at all. The rear has the Terraflex here. The Z-Box Terraflex thingies are mounted to this 3D printed plate here. Not how I would have done it, but I mean it's functional. I guess it does a thing for sure. I don't know if they're real. I don't think they are, but they're Toyota axles under it because they do look better than the factory ones, which are here. These are the HSP factory axles. They look not real at all. Not good. I got some little drive shaft pin things and stuff. The tires are true to what the old Bruiser tires used to be. The wheels look kind of the part. I think they're a little different, but it is what it is. So I got those as well. And then this is some of the cool stuff if you know what you're looking at. I have the Extendo Bruiser cab thingy, you know, whatever. That's it. I got glass. I think one of them is from the Bruiser, like it's a spare, or maybe the Tamiya. I'm pretty sure. And then this one's the HSP. This is the grill that came in it. He chopped that out because he got this pot metal Bruiser grill. I don't know where this is from, but this thing is super rad. I'm not really a Bruiser guy, but I'm gonna assume that this is some sort of aftermarket product thing. I don't know what it's worth, don't know who made it, etc. But I will find out on the book face and go from there. But he got that for it. We got a driver. Well, his head moves and everything. The Tamiya LED light control unit TLU-02. The Tamiya LED light unit TLU-01. Also in this box was a 10-2 carbon fiber chassis. Has 3D printed shock hoops, front and rear body mounts and stuff. I'm not sure what the plan was with this. And I also have another one. So this actually makes the third set of carbon fiber 10-2 rails that I've gotten in the last week. Because I also bought a set off of Jordan the other day. So I've got those. Sensor wire, that's there. The Mamba X, which is my favorite ESC, already has an XT60. That will be staying with me because you can never have enough of those, even though I have like 14 in a box. And then, of course, the 422 HD V2, which was in all of his trucks. This was the one servo he bought, plus a little extension. RC Plate Shop has Bruiser license plates from Indiana. That's actually the old Indiana license plate. Let's see. We have, this thing's actually pretty cool. This is CC Hand. This is a bed cover. So it actually, well, not a cover, I guess. It's a plate that goes in the bottom of the bed. If you've ever seen the bed of a Tamiya Bruiser or the Mountaineer or whatever the hell you want to look at, the original ones have this big thing. There used to be a monstrous box under there for the mechanical speed control and all the other stuff that was under there. It was like this big massive thing. So then this actually covers it up and makes it a little more pretty. I got some Old Man Emu yellow shocks. Don't know what I'll do with those. Those are kind of cool. Legit Tamiya rear bumper stay. Not 100% sure. Lights and all the chrome trim jazz off of the body. Another orange LED light kit. The little boots that go on the Old Man Emu shocks. The CC Hand side step bars. These are solid aluminum or some sort of metal, something. I'm not sure what these are. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are aluminum. I don't know. Anyway, metal CC Hand side steps. They just go on like there. I don't know what they were doing exactly. 80s stuff is what, I don't know. We got that. CC Hand, little laser etched emblems. The dash kit, which has vents and all sorts of cool stuff. The CC Hand rear view mirror, which is crazy. The correct front body mount. I thought these were for a Bruiser. These are actually door panels, but they're not the correct shape for a Bruiser, so I don't know what the hell those are for. These are rubber fender flares. He said they're for this. However, get some other junk. Whatever the hell these things are. A cab back. I don't know what this is. I think this is a cab back. And then he had this printed. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is printed. I don't know what this is printed out of. It's heavy as hell. I know that much. But this is the interior. So this is the original interior with that dash. Looks kind of bleh. Apparently you take it and you cut it apart. And then you take this piece and like shimmy it up into here. Like so. And then now that can screw in and lock in and everything. And then that gives you a much better looking dash. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Eventually, I thought I was going to keep it, but now the more I look at it, the more I think I'm probably not. I'll probably just sell all this CC hand stuff. I'll keep the RC 4-wheel drive Bullman Emu shocks. I may sell that body or maybe mess with it for like a comp truck or something, or just hack it up, whatever, and sell everything else. It kind of sucks because as a Bruiser, if it was real, it would be worth some money. And he's done a lot of work to make it almost a Bruiser, but it's not quite an actual Bruiser, so it's still just a fake knockoff. I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now. The thing that I think would be the best would be to sell all this stuff. Probably sell that, sell the grill, and then take the wheels and tires, the bumpers, and just sell all that stuff. So that is probably what I will do. I will end up parting this all out. That concludes video 3. We are almost to the finish line. I have one more tote and a few 5 trucks to go over, and then I will be done showing you all the stuff I bought. Make sure to check me out on Facebook, Facebook groups, and Instagram. Bullman Built RC across the board. And make sure to answer the questions if you ask to be in my group. That is where I post everything for sale first. So if you are a guy that likes to collect cool things and see neat stuff and all that jazz, make sure to join. I'm putting together a little community that I'm actually kind of proud of. So that is all for the day. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you later. Bye! That concludes video 3. It's almost over. Yeah. That concludes video. Oh, got a snot rocket. There we go. Nothing like drinking pink drink out of a purple straw. Make sure to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook. Nope, I don't like that. I don't know. I don't care. These are not good, right? I don't know what the fuck this is for. Metal CC hand rear or fuck. Where the fuck did it go? I don't think they look like that. Fuck, I don't know. God we trust. A wire. What the fuck is this? So now all the things that actually. Nope, that's not even true. Yeah, let's see. What is going on? What is this fucking thing? Got that. Right, like this. Yes, that's how that goes. Okay, that is. Those are stiff as shit. So what the hell firefuck is that? What the fuck? What is it? No, I mean, I don't care. Oh, fuck me. I think they're done. They done? Are they coming down my fucking road? Yep, they're still there. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna waste my time with that. Ugh, fire trucks. People are always like, you know, doing dumb shit. HDR. No, that's the third video. Whatever. And other than that, there's not a whole lot to say. So let's get into it.